Okay, if you just set up your vidIQ account just like me, then this is perfect. I'm going to show you how to use vidIQ for your YouTube channel. And it is really good to actually give you a huge increase in your YouTube views for all of your YouTube videos. vidIQ is an amazing application for that. I really know that now. So I've been using it for a little while because this is really a new channel for me as well, as it probably will be for you. And I think this is a perfect application for you to use. It really is. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and what the benefits are. And I'm going to show you the dashboard today. As you can see, this is the dashboard. So when you actually sign up on vidIQ, you'll get a dashboard like this, and it's very easy to understand and go along with. But there are a few things with it you really need to understand first, and I'm going to share with you what those things are. So then you can do this without any problems later on, finding all of the relevant ideas and keywords and how to do it in the best way possible for your own channel. So the main thing about this is that it's really amazing for your video SEO, search engine optimization. This is perfect. It's going to really help you increase your views because the ideas, the keywords in this application are really going to give you that kind of step above your competition. So let me get straight into it. For me at the moment, this is just a free account. I will go for a pro version later on, but for now I'm just doing this as my channel has just started. I'm going to show you over the main areas. So here we go. So it's going to give you channel stats. It's just a new channel, as I keep explaining. On vidIQ, these are the views that I have, the subscribers, the watch time, the retention. It goes down or it can go up, which will give you an indication of how well your channel's doing over a certain amount of time, and which is a good starting point. There's a bit more details later, which I'll get into as well. It's going to give you daily ideas of what videos you should be looking at developing, and vidIQ is perfect for that. So I will go over this here. So it gives you the idea, as it says, it's AI gives you the best topics suited to your channel. So it will look at your channel and give you all the best ideas possible during that day, what you should be developing a video for that day, which will get a huge amount of views. So chat GPT is a great topic right now. There's lots of volume for this. Many people are searching for this right now, so it's very high. I would like to do one topic on this later. And chat GPT is basically what it is. If you don't know, it's a application, an AI application that codes everything for you. You just write a few things down and it codes everything for you. So if you want to choose an idea like that, for example, you can copy the idea or export it. You can either add it to your ideas tab, so you can save it, and it will add it to your daily ideas tab, which is just at the top. Very simple to get to that. So it added we'll add the ideas in there somewhere. Let's have a look. Save the ideas. So it's added it in there very high, and some of the other ideas that I've saved. Okay. So you go back to the dashboard. So those are your daily ideas and your stats. Next, you can have a look at the monetizational tracker, see how far you are away from monetizing your channel. And now when you're looking for, also, the main thing a good thing about this is that it will give you recommendations of titles that you should be using for your videos, so you get more people clicking your video based on your title. It becomes more interesting, and this will help you with that. So for example, my video title might be this, and it should show a list of how to use vidIQ for better YouTube videos. That's a really good one. Copy that title. So it's copied it to my YouTube video clipboard. Excellent. Okay. So those are some titles for you that you can use for your video titles. There are some other options, subscribers overview and so on, but you need to upgrade to Pro with that, which would be a very good idea actually. Now, the next thing is really important, keywords. You need to get searched, okay? Your videos need to get searched by as many people as possible. So this will give you a great idea of what keywords you should be using. At the moment it's on WordPress, so I want to change that to vidIQ. And this is really good. Look at that. So what this means is that it's in the green at the moment. It's low competition, so if you do a video on this, that means that your video should get quite a lot of searches based on that keyword. Okay, so it's like 1,675,206,000 searches right now for this particular keyword area, which is vidIQ. So you can save that keyword and use it in your video main title, body, the content, and so on. So as well, it's got vidIQ tutorial, vidIQ vision for YouTube, and you want to make sure that it's in the green, not in a red or orange. The green is the best keyword to be using. You want to copy them, go ahead, you can copy these tags. I'll show you how to use them in a later video. It comes also with matching terms, which is great, and it gives you more ideas of what keywords you should be using, maybe in other topic areas. So this is a comparison of TubeBuddy, which is vidIQ's competitor, and you can compare the two. And again, these are really good keywords to use because overall the score is quite high. It's in the green. So here you can see it's in orange, 31. I mean, you could use that, but it would be a possible chance that you might not get a lot of views with this. So stick with the greens. Okay, so this gives you all the keywords as well. Matching terms. There are related keywords. So related keywords to the main keyword that you can use with, in addition to your primary keyword, which is that one at the top, vidIQ, you can use these related keywords in your video. I'll show you that later. Well, as you can see, it is really good. The results here are really good. So perfect to use all of these keywords, which will get you the most views as possible. Improve your SEO with 344 more related keywords. Upgrade to Pro. Wow. So this gives you a huge list of these keywords. So I'm definitely going to upgrade to Pro soon. As my channel grows a little bit more, I'm going to upgrade to it. Matching terms. There we go. It's got all the list in there. Questions as well. So you can actually use these questions for your title of your video and answer people's questions, because they do get a lot of searches. And very low in competition. Look at that. Okay, so we covered the daily ideas, the keywords, and you could also use competitors. So when your channel starts to grow, you can use other let's say competitors, and in the same area as you, and see what they're doing to actually help you as well. So, and you go down, top videos from your competitors. Okay, subscribers. Again, this is more of a pro feature and SEO boost pro feature to get more views, related keywords, for example. I'll probably do a video on that later when I upgrade to pro. Max, maybe this is going to give you some information on how to do vidIQ, how to use it a lot better for your own channel. There is an AI coach which I haven't used yet, and this is kind of like a new feature. I will look into this soon and probably do a channel on like a video on that very soon. So as you can see, the free version is amazing so far. It will really help you to grow your channel and know exactly what kind of keywords you should be using in your video so you can get the most views, and what title you should be using, what topic areas you should be looking at. But also, if you want to upgrade, there is a pro version here, and it gives you a lot more than the basic one at the moment, like all applications do when you upgrade. So it would be very worthwhile if you really are planning and you have a bit of budget and you can afford the $10 extra or even $49 or the max $99. It's going to really build your channel really quickly. And as I said, I'm going to upgrade for the Pro. I think it's only $10, isn't it? So why not? It gives me more 10 daily video ideas, search competition, trending videos in real time. Well, that sounds really good. Post at your prime time, so it allows you to post. I'll cover that later, and lots more. So as you can see, vidIQ is amazing. It's very easy to set up, download, and to use the dashboard, as you can see. And I showed you exactly what you need to do to really increase the views on your videos. And just follow this, add the keywords and the topic ideas, and I'm certain that you'll start to see huge results. I hope to as well. So if you want to see more of these valuable videos, and I really would love some support so I can continue to do more, then please like and subscribe and tell your friends about these videos that I'm doing, and ask them to come to the channel and do the same so that they can grow their business. In addition, I do have a little link at the bottom, which is an affiliate link that I make a little bit of that I make a little bit of commission from. And it would be great if you could support me if you decide to maybe do pro account, upgrade to a pro account, or upgrade to a boost account, or even max. Then you can click that link and I get a little bit of commission that will help me to produce more of these valuable videos that you can come back and watch later to help build your online business. Okay, I will